percussion on a whole nother level. Coming from my
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a quick little trick how to cook spaghetti in just a short amount of time. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! There's water in the saucepan. The next, you gotta throw some spaghetti into the boiling water while just boiling, just like now, because wow, it's like magic. Holy crap. Okay, let's get some spaghetti in here. And wow, it's yeah, none of it spilled. It was a perfect match. Awesome. Next, you're going to snap your fingers, because wow, look at that, spaghetti's done. Only took like 1 second, no editing whatsoever. Wow, it's just like magic, amazing. All you have to do is turn this knob, and just like that, all the boiling water is gone. Wow, amazing. Where to go? I don't know, but all I know is that it's back in the saucepan, ready to serve, almost like nothing happened. Wow, amazing. But we're not done yet, because next all we have to do was climb into its bowl. Wow, but we're not done yet, because now we got Parmesan cheese. Wow, amazing. Now it's like it's ready to eat, because who needs sauce? Am I right? Okay, let's get eating. Wow, all done. It only took me 1 second to eat. Wow, amazing. Okay, let's get these dishes. And wow, the dishes are clean. Wow, amazing. It only took me 1 second. Awesome. Thanks for watching this video. It took me only less than a minute. Wow, amazing. You should totally try this at home. Wow, amazing. Get it done. Bye.